Hey traders, Shane from GMT Futures and FX. Welcome back. I'm going to take you through system T77, which is a crude oil, and we're trading the cycle trader on this system. And this is one that was sent through from David, one of our pro traders, and it is absolutely flying. So 24k since January 2013 per single lot traded. It's got a max drawdown of 1,060, and it is, well, I'm going to take you through the stats here shortly, but this is a great system to be trading combined with one of our other strategies, which is the trend trader. So this thing is absolutely flying along. So we're going to have a look at the stats here now. Okay, traders, so I've got our cycle trader strategy up here, and I'll just explain for those of you who are new just exactly how this strategy works. So what it does is the cycle trader basically trades in this way. It buys support. So the system works on the premise that it buys support and sells resistance. So once you get this pattern of cyclical type activity, which is where you get these are our dynamic support resistance lines here, and you'll see they're scattered throughout the chart. And once we get a trade that breaks through that area, then we get into what we call our trend setup. So obviously we're going to get times when the market's trending, as you can see here. Nice little downtrend, we had an uptrend there. But you'll also get periods where the market trades within this cyclical type activity. So you can see here quite clearly that the market has trended up, it's pulled back, another run up, but then it's gone into this this congestion or this consolidation period where it really hasn't broken anywhere, but it's just consolidating. And this type of buy and support range type trading this is where the cycle trader works beautifully. So the cycle trader will buy support, sell resistance, buy support, sell resistance, and it'll continue to do that until you get I'm just going to take you through the system results now for the, now this is running obviously on a 233 tick chart. It's running on crude oil. Let's have a look at the stats here. Now these are some of the key stats that we're tracking. The first thing we want to look at is the overall max drawdown. So you can see the max drawdown there, trade close to close is 1,060. But what is fantastic here is we've got our total trade net profit of 24k. So what that means, we in every system we trade, we're looking for a ratio of net profit to max drawdown to be at least 6 to 1. So we want 6 times our drawdown to be our profit. Now in this example, this system is producing a net profit 22 times greater than its drawdown. That's fantastic. So our benchmark is 6. But ideally we want 10, but obviously over 10 is fantastic. So we've got 22 times. Now the other key things, our profit factor is 2.87. We're also looking at our total number of trades, 202 trades there. Now this is another big one here. The average trade net profit is a massive $120. Now this will be the first thing that your system is subjected to when you're going through and looking at your strategy. You want to make sure that the average trade net profit is as high as you can possibly get it, because things like slippage and your commissions or brokerage, they're going to chip away at your average trade net profit. So the higher you've got that figure, the better you are obviously when you're running your strategies. So your ratio of wins to losses needs to be, you want that to be over 2. We've got ours at 3.64, and you can see the average winning trade is $666. The average losing trade is 183. So we've got a great balance there for our on a weekly basis. Really, this thing is doing some very, very good numbers. Very, very small drawdown, and very rarely does it have a losing week. If we have a look at the monthly stats, you can see there that apart from January, this thing has really not struggled at all. And May was it's a stellar month for this system on crude. Even in February, when the volatility was still low on our trend trader system, this strategy stepped up and made money at 3,870. So that's why it's important to have the combined approach, that combination of cyclical type strategies as well as your trend system. So that's just a bit of a look at T77. That's one of the systems in our competition from David. It's flying along, and as I mentioned before, just a really good strategy, and one that we'll continue to track as part of the Pro Trader program. So that's the recap for T77. Cheers. Hey traders, thank you for spending some time with us during that system review. If you'd like to become a member, very easy. All you need to do is email us at info@gmtfutures.com. You can visit our website at www.gmtfutures.com/products, or you can give us a call at 617-336-00875. Thank you for your time. My name's Shane Fry, and I'll catch you on the next system update. Cheers. Thank you.